Hey, and welcome to Cooking with Your Health Coach. I'm Melissa, one of the health coaches with Simple. Today we're going to be making a peanut butter and banana oat bar, which would be like a great healthy snack, or like if you need a grab and go breakfast one day. Let's go ahead and get started. The ingredients we're going to be needing today is 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, a half a cup of peanut butter or any type of nut butter that you prefer, 2 large ripe bananas that we are also going to mash, 1 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, depending on kind of how sweet you'd like it. I've got 1 tablespoon. 1/4 cup of walnuts that are roughly chopped, and then 1/4 cup of chocolate chips or chocolate chunks to add on top. We're also going to be needing an 8x8 pan with parchment paper, and then also just some non-stick cooking spray. I sliced up my 2 large ripe bananas and added them to a large bowl here, and now I'm going to mash them. You can also just mash with your fork if you don't have a masher. Now I'm going to add the remaining ingredients. We got the oats, walnuts, peanut butter, and maple syrup, and we'll mix together. Now that it is mixed well, we're going to add to our parchment paper lined 8x8 pan. And we're going to kind of smooth it out into an even layer. Now that we've got it like we want it, we're gonna add our chocolate chips on top. Just kind of spread them out evenly. And it's ready to go in the oven. We will add to our 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden. Time is up, and we're gonna take out of the oven. And we will let it sit here and cool for a little while. We've let the oat bars cool for a little bit over an hour, and now we're just going to transfer and cut them up. And I've got these cut up and plated. They look great. I can't wait to try them. Hopefully I'll be enjoying these for the next few days as a little snack. I hope that you guys try this recipe and enjoy it as well. And we will see you next time. Thanks so much.